Recess is over. We have called Ben Finn to the stand. He's been sworn in, right, bailiff? Let me remind you, Ben, that you're under oath. Everything you say will and can be held against you in a court of law, which is where we are. Okay, you may begin your questioning this witness. Okay, normally the attorney will stand. And remember, you're trying to get these people to believe.
Is it true that your mother did hit you across the face to give you a black eye?
Yes.
I'm sure.
Yes.
On what day was it?
September.
Was there anybody else there?
Could you speak up so the jury can hear you?
Yes, Anthony Coffin.
Would it be possible to say that it was only an accident or was it completely avoided on purpose? She knew she could do it.
Speak up. The jury can't hear you.
It was no accident.
Has your mother ever done anything else to you?
Yes.
What else?
She has hurt my arm and she drinks all the time.
All right. And we have evidence of these injuries.
Okay. Has everybody seen the evidence?
Yes, sir.
Jury? Okay, the evidence photos of the injuries shall be entered as Exhibit A for the prosecution. If you'll take that to the court recorder, please, he'll make a record of that.
And also, you can see, right?
Yeah, the defense would like to see the guys.
No, we want to see the defense. It's already been picture.
Well, wait a minute. Court recorder, the defense would like to see those photos. That's a question for the attorneys to ask. Okay, remember what I told you? Okay, order. Okay, you may continue.
Do you have any leftovers other than your black eye of any other wounds, any scars,
Yes,
scrapes?
I do. She rubbed my skin off with a razor.
As punishment. There is eraser marks.
Magic. All right, the with that one.
Okay, continue.
Is there anything that you enjoy hanging out with your father?
Yes, he the face full of
So, do you have any emotional attachment to your mother?
Oh, heck no.
I'm looking.
We should make a TV
Okay, order.
So, would you, in your case, say that you would prefer to live with your father instead of with your mother?
Yes.
Okay, let me just stop there, give you an example. That's leading the witness because he just put words in the mouth. Rather than you putting words, rather than you saying what you think he said, you need to ask him the question so that the witness, it comes out naturally. Rather than you saying, didn't you say, da, 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 da. That's putting words into the mouth of the witness. And it is,
Who would you rather live with, your father? Oh!
Dad.
okay. Anything else? Any further questions for this witness? No? This is direct testimony. They get a chance to cross-examine the witness. Okay? Would you like to cross-examine the witness?
Yes. Got it. Okay. Well then. So, what do you like to do with your father? Baseball. So, did you catch any baseballs when you were at the baseball game? No. Particularly with your face.
Okay, I'm just gonna, we're kind of winging it here, but remember, your audience is the jury.
Hello.
So one of the things you don't want to do, and I'm not saying you have to stand that close to them, I'm just saying you don't want to turn your back to the jury.
Okay. Well then.
Back to the jury, actually.
You may want to stand like over
Okay.
here, where you could,
No.
yeah, there you
Okay. I don't think he's done that.
go. Okay, order.
Okay. So, why do you want to live with your dad? Because he gives you nice things. What is the reason that you don't want to live with your dad? She beats you. And she just doesn't let me have her. But she never gives you.
Okay, order. Okay, order. Bailiff, you may have to remove this witness until he calms down. Excuse me, son, you think you can control yourself? Okay, let's remove him for just a minute.
You're gonna have to be removed.
Okay, the witness will be removed for 1 minute till he gets his composure. Take him out in the hallway. Now, guys, please don't encourage it, okay? I don't have no idea. Eric, please don't encourage. Do we need to get another son?
I'll be it.
Tanner, you already
I can be this. You're not his son anymore. I got it.
Okay. All right, let me remind you, you're still under oath. Okay, any further questions for this witness? No? Oh.
Wait, come on. So, what age are you again? 7. So, you guys believe a 7-year-old will know what he's talking about, or is he making up stories? Good question, isn't it? Well then, that is a conclusion of my question.
Okay, no further questions, Your Honor, is what you should say.
Oh, no.
Is there any redirect for this witness? Any other questions for this witness? Mr. Coleman, fly.
to find a good angle. Hi, Mom. That'll work.
Would you answer the phone? Mr. Coleman's class, okay?
No, I'm being super duper careful.
Okay, order.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't. It's angled vertically. No.
Now it is.
Okay. Your witness.
That'll work.
Does your mother use any of them? No.
Okay. Just a minute. The jury should not be talking and discussing. Go ahead. Your witness.
Does your mom use any other of your siblings? No. No.
Okay. Anything else for this witness?
Oh, I know. Okay. Well, you said your mother only, like, beats you up and hurts you and whatever. Is there a reason why you think? And she doesn't do it to any of the other siblings? Yeah. See? No answer. Oh, I got it. Because I like my dad better than her, so she like and she should be the one ruling the house. Just a mother. Oh, I have no more questions after this.
Okay.
No
Yes.
further questions. Come on!
Okay. Mr. Ben Finn, you may be seated at this time. Let me remind you, you're under oath if you're recalled to the stand. You may be seated. What? Okay, it's 1:44, guys. At this point, we're going to recess, and we'll finish at a later date. Guys, could you please bring the scripts up and lay them on this desk?
You can't handle it! How do we know that's
Oh, we do all the
Wait, she does. It's part of the Yeah, it's part of the switch.
Yeah.
I was going to, but
Don't be bad.
Take a chance.
You should go. I am the plan when I go up.